If you want non-emergency medical assistance from a virtual health experts, go to howtogetridofhealthissues.com/mobile doctor. They have a team of mobile doctors is standing by around the clock so you can stop any health issue quickly and effectively. What if the secret to peak physical endurance and circulatory health wasn't found in a pharmaceutical lab, but in the raw fibers of your kitchen garden? Welcome. I'm deep diving into a controversial but scientifically grounded protocol, the synergistic power of beetroot, purple onion, and ginger. Today we move past the hype to examine how these three ingredients literally re-engineer your vascular system for maximum performance. It's a debate that divides experts. Can natural compounds truly compete with the immediate effects of synthetic solutions? Let's look at the data. We begin with beetroot. In the world of clinical nutrition, it's often called vegetable Viagra for one critical reason: dietary nitrates. When you consume beets, your body converts those nitrates into nitric oxide, the primary signaling molecule for vasodilation. This molecule relaxes the smooth muscles in your blood vessels, allowing them to expand. For men, this is the fundamental biological requirement for rigidity. Studies confirm that beetroot juice can boost blood nitric oxide by up to 25%. We aren't just talking about health, we're talking about mechanics. Many ask if a supplement pill can replace the raw juice. The controversy lies in the matrix of nutrients. Raw beetroot contains betalains and fibers that stabilize the conversion process, a complexity often lost in synthetic extracts. But it goes deeper. By improving oxygen delivery to muscles, it enhances exercise economy, reducing fatigue during the most demanding physical activities. Timing is everything. Blood nitrate levels peak approximately 2 to 3 hours after consumption. That is your window of biological readiness. Next, we add the purple onion. While most avoid it for the scent, the science of its flavonoid content is too powerful to ignore. Purple onions are dense with quercetin. This flavonoid is a natural PDE5 inhibitor, the exact same mechanism used by pharmaceutical ED treatments. It works by preventing the breakdown of cGMP, the molecule that keeps your blood vessels relaxed. It's nature's way of sustaining what the beetroot starts. Furthermore, fresh onion juice has been shown to support the production of luteinizing hormone, which signals the body to maintain healthy testosterone levels. It's also a defensive player. The high antioxidant load protects reproductive cells from oxidative damage, ensuring long-term cellular health. It's not just about a single boost, it's about supporting the body's natural hormonal rhythm. Quercetin acts as a steady shield, ensuring your hormonal peak isn't followed by a precipitous crash. Finally, we introduce ginger. In ancient medicine, it was used as a warming herb. Modern science identifies this as circulatory stimulation. Bioactive compounds like gingerols act as stimulants, increasing core body temperature and enhancing total body blood circulation. Ginger protects the endothelium, the delicate lining of your vessels. A flexible, healthy vessel is a responsive vessel during moments of arousal.
Sometimes there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Think of ginger as a biological polish for your circulatory system. By neutralizing free radicals that stiffen your arteries, you're effectively keeping your vascular response young and agile. Individually, they are potent. Together, they create a multi-targeted approach. Beetroot dilates, onion sustains, and ginger stimulates. Now, let's address the controversy. Pharmaceutical fixes are fast, but they don't solve the underlying vascular health issues. Natural protocols do. For true endurance, you must play the long game. Drinking this blend daily for 2 weeks allows your baseline nitric oxide levels to stabilize and rise. This juice is a catalyst, but it works best when paired with a choose hard lifestyle. Regular exercise and proper sleep hygiene amplify these results, creating a feedback loop of peak performance. It's time to prepare the juice. This specific ratio is designed to maximize bioavailability without overwhelming the palate. Start with 1 medium beetroot. Peel and chop it raw. Cooking destroys the precious nitrates we need for vasodilation. Add 1/4 of a small purple onion. If you're sensitive to the taste, soak it in cold water first, but use it raw for the quercetin. Include a 1-inch piece of fresh peeled ginger. This provides the circulatory kick and thermal stimulation. We add 2 cups of cubed watermelon. It contains L-citrulline, a precursor that further fuels the nitric oxide production cycle. Finish with half a lemon for vitamin C to prevent nitrate degradation, and coconut water for the electrolytes needed for hydration. Blend at high speed. If you prefer a smoother texture, strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Drink it fresh to ensure zero nutrient loss. A critical tip: avoid antiseptic mouthwash before drinking. It kills the tongue bacteria needed to convert nitrates into nitric oxide. Don't sabotage your results. Let's recap. Beetroot for immediate dilation, purple onion for hormone support and PDE5 stability, ginger for thermal circulation. Peel, chop raw, blend and drink 2 to 3 hours before activity. Consistency over 14 days is the key to lasting change. Is nature enough for you, or do you rely on the lab? Join the debate in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more biopotency protocols. Take control of your vascular health. I'll see you in the next investigation. Professional science for your daily habits. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it now, so it can take of you later. As daily health habit adjuster, make it simple as
your wish is my command.